Living abroad, one often hears of Pakistan in myopic and prejudiced terms. But my time in Pakistan has taught me the world can be wrong about many things. This is a journey of discovery, celebrating cultures, addressing concerns, dispelling myths. This is the emerging face of Pakistan. I travel the country, visiting each province, learning from the cultures and building invaluable people-to-people relations. The further I traveled, the more I was amazed, yet comforted by the many things we shared in common. The welcoming nature of the people is the reason Pakistan has become a second home for me. In this series, we intend to show Pakistan as a vibrant kaleidoscope of society, against a backdrop of a region rich with history, including music and the arts, a prime destination for adventurers and anyone longing for majestic scenery. Exploring the faiths,